All right, here we go. We haven't done this in a little while, but we're back to it. So hopefully this will be helpful to us. But we're going to basically look at writing an equation to solve for the measure of angle x. Remember the angle symbol? Angle x, verify the measurement using a protractor. You can do that if you would like to, just to practice. But basically what we're doing here is using um, the what we know about the total measurement and the angle that they have given us to solve the problem for x, to find x. So this says that CBA, so CBA, remember the angle is in the middle, so angle B is a right angle. So this total right here is 90 degrees, right? Which is equal 90. 45 plus x equals 90. So then we just take 90 minus 45 and we get 45. So x is 45. All right, so over here we have, again, 90 because it says it's a right angle. So this whole area is 90, so 20 plus x equals 90. So 90 minus 20, that angle would be 70 degrees. Forgot my degree mark there. If you're following along, you can put a little dot at the top of your page so we know that we're not just skipping through this. Okay, now this says that IJK is a straight angle. And a straight angle, the angle is here, but this whole angle is 180, right? 180. Oh, that was too sloppy. The full straight angle of the straight line is 180. So now we have x plus 70 equals 180. We take 180 minus 70, and we have 10 degrees. I'm sorry, 110 degrees. 110 degrees. All right, again, MNO is a straight angle. So this is 180 total. So we have 83 plus x equals 180. So we take 180 minus 83, borrow here. 10 minus 3 is 7. To borrow again, 17 minus 8 is 9. So 97 degrees is our missing angle. All right. Next, solve for the measurement of angle TRU. So we want TRU, which is x, right? We want this angle here, TRU, where QRS is a straight angle. Okay, so TRU plus 36 is going to equal how much? What's this one? This is 90. So x plus 36 equals 90. And 90 minus 36 is 54. So x degrees equals 54 degrees. All right, now this one, we're telling us that XYZ is a straight angle, and we're solving for ZYV. So Z, Y, V. Okay, so if we take ZYV plus 108 plus 60, if we take all three of those, we're going to equal 180. So let's do X plus 108 plus 60 equals 180. Okay? So now we have to subtract 108 and 60 from 180. So 180 minus, let's see, 108 plus 60 is 168. So we're going to subtract 168 to borrow here. So that's 12 degrees. So X, this little space here, x equals 12 degrees. All right, in the following figure, ACDE is a rectangle. Without using a protractor, determine the measurement of DEB. Okay, so here is DEB, this angle right here. Write an equation that could be used to solve the problem. Well, what we know about rectangles is all of these are 90-degree angles, every single one of them, including this one. So we know that 27, we'll just call this x, 27 plus x degrees is going to equal 90. So 90 minus 27, regroup, x is going to equal 63 degrees. All right, complete the following directions in the space to the right, or the space provided. Draw 2 points, M and N. So we have M and N, and I don't have a straight edge, so please use a straight edge, and I'll do the best I can to draw this. And this is a line. So I'm going to draw a line through here. And I know it's a line because I'm going to put arrows on both sides, meaning it goes on forever in both directions. Plot a point O somewhere between M and N. So here's O. Plot a point P, which is not on M and N. Oh, okay, so plot P. So I can just put P anywhere. I'm just going to put him up here. P, which is not on line MN. Draw OP, and line segment, not a line. So we're just going to draw from dot to dot right there. Find the measure of MOP, that's this, and NOP, which is this. Write an equation that show the angles add to the measure of a straight angle. So we have this straight angle. So let's just call this X and this one, excuse me, Y. Okay, so now we have to use our protractor for this. So I'm going to line it up, try and be as careful as possible, get everything lined up right. And then let's see if I can make this bigger. Oh boy. There it is. Okay, so remember this one is less than 90, so I'm going to read the small numbers, and that looks like 65. Now, I'm going to just tell you, because this is how I want you to learn this. Once you get 65, you can just solve for y, because 65 plus y equals 180. I don't know what's going on with my computer. Try this one more time. 180 degrees. Okay. Let's see if getting rid of this helps. Wow. Okay, anyway, I don't have time for this. So let's just do 180 minus 65. And we have to regroup. 10 minus 5 is 5. 7 minus 6 is 1. And 1 minus 0 is 1. So y equals 115 degrees. X equals 65 degrees. So 65 degrees and 115 degrees. All right, go ahead and come get the exit ticket. And basically what you're going to be doing here is adding these three numbers up to equal 180. So you're going to have 53 degrees. Well, you know what? I'm just going to let you figure it out based on what we've already studied. So if you need to, go ahead and go back and double check the other. But when you're finished with this, go ahead and turn in the exit ticket and sign on to Prodigy. Prodigy or Zern. You can do Zern too if you'd like. All right, thank you.